Phineas and Ferb, two brothers with incredible imagination and the ability to invent massive and fun creations in their backyards. This show is full of crazy adventures as well as incredibly talented animal species. Have you thought about what these animals look like in real life? Let's find out. One of the main characters in this show is Perry the platypus, loved by the audience and even his enemy. He is Phineas and Ferb's pet, and secretly a detective that fights against Doofenshmirtz. Platypus can't precisely be detectives, but they're for sure smart and can be quite dangerous. An interesting fact about them is that they glow under ultraviolet light. Disney Channel may not have been far off when they colored Perry the platypus bright teal. It turns out real-life platypuses are blue-green too, at least when they're under an ultraviolet spotlight. A study shows that if scientists shine an ultraviolet light just a little too short for humans to see on a platypus, then the animal's brown body reflects bright blue-green light, George Dvorsky reports for Gizmodo. Emitting light of one color after absorbing light of a different color is called fluorescence, and scientists only recognize a couple of known fluorescent mammals. Now, platypuses have joined the exclusive club. More secret agents work with Perry, and that includes Pinkie the Chihuahua. She's Isabella's pet, one of Phineas and Ferb's friends, and who happens to be in love with Ferb. Pinkie seems very inoffensive and minding her own business all the time, until she's needed in action. Chihuahuas can be quite helpful pets if trained properly. Relative to their bodies, Chihuahuas have the biggest brain in the dog world. They're quick-witted and easy to train. However, they're not easy to housebreak due to a tiny bladder and a willful personality. As desert dogs, they're also not too keen on the rain or cold. Now let's talk about Peter the Panda. This one is another secret agent from Seattle. He used to be Doofenshmirtz's enemy before Perry, but now he's the enemy of a scientist named Professor Mystery. Panda bears can be vengeful if you provoke them, like this one panda in a zoo that happened to be bitten by a tourist. He may look cute and cuddly, but Gugu was out for revenge. The 8-year-old giant panda was startled last year when a drunken tourist jumped into his pen and bit him on the back. So this week, when a second tourist tried to join him in his pen, he took no chances and savaged the visitor, a teenage boy, by scratching his legs. Tragic, I know. Dennis, a rabbit agent obsessed with carrots, so much that he even gets captured because of his obsession. He's a good agent, although sometimes blinded by his greediness. Something rabbits are known for is their greediness, so we're sure Disney didn't make Dennis's personality like that for no reason. Rabbits like to eat a lot, which leads to concerns that your pet rabbit could die due to overeating. Because rabbits are herbivores, they spend most of their time foraging and grazing, so rabbits should be provided with an unlimited amount of grass hay and a small handful of vegetables daily. Otherwise, they could die. Make sure you don't miss our videos and go check our playlists. Keep on watching.